Hello guys, this video is the continuation of Copil indoor board inverter AC, which I repaired that was no power. Now our very good aircon technician, he installed it at his customer somewhere in Quezon City. Now he is observing this if it is working very fine. Now we are fortunately that our repair is successful. Now the 3-tonner Copil inverter AC floor stand is working properly. Now let's watch guys what is being happened to the job site.
Sabi ko, okay na.
Nandam na. I-send ko naman kay Mama yung video na to. Hintay ko lang umandar yung outdoor. Ayun, dahan-dahan na. Yun! Lumamig na. Yes, sir.